What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So Apple announced only last week the new MacBook Air and all of the changes that went along with it, including that price drop. However, this is the 15-inch. This is the new one in that nice new sky blue colorway and all that. M4 chip, 16 gigs of RAM standard here, 256 gigs of storage as well. Let's just do a quick unboxing and a look of this new colorway. As Apple has been doing recently, all you need to do is pull these two cardboard tabs on the side of the box and simply flip it over and it'll open right up. As you can see, you do have that 15-inch Air right on top, and look at just how thin this is. It still is amazing what Apple was able to do with these Airs. And in the box standard, you will get that nicely braided USB-C to MagSafe adapter that does match the color of whatever color laptop you decide to get. Again, this matches the new blue colorway, or really kind of blue only. And then you're gonna have all of your reading materials as is. And inside the box, unless you ask to order one of the higher powered 70-watt adapters, you will get the dual USB Type-C 35-watt adapter here, which will charge your Air with no problem. However, you can opt in for the 70-watt adapter if you choose, or if you just want more power to quicker charge. We have one here, so it's not really needed currently, but that is a call out. And just so you know, fun fact, the price is actually identical if you wanted to go that route and get the extra adapter. You do lose one of those USB-C ports, but if you don't need it, it's nothing to worry about. Let's go ahead and set the box to the side and take a look at what you all came to see, that new 15-inch MacBook Air. So we'll go ahead and just pull this off, slide that over, and here it is again, in that it really does look almost silvery blue, and I hope the light helps catch it for you guys to really do it justice. It is barely blue. It is a nice new hue still nonetheless, that I do think a lot of people would like it, and really it's the only way to differentiate itself from the prior model. As usual too, on the left side you do have that MagSafe charger, the two USB Type-C ports, and then on the right side a headphone jack, and that's it. It is pretty bare minimum, and all you need to do from this point on is just set it up like you typically would. I will throw those affiliate links up down below for Amazon and Best Buy. If you decide to pick one up, please use one of those links. It greatly helps out the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. When you do open it up, you can see the keyboard does obviously match it as well with that lighter blue colorway. You can take your little screen protector off. They do have a ton of upgrades internally, like we talked about as well. You have that new center stage camera and everything else that goes along with it. I think this looks great. We'll get it all set up. So there you guys go, a first look at the new 15-inch Apple MacBook Air with the M4 chip. Obviously, this is not even close to a deep dive. We will be doing that in a soon-to-come video. But if you saw our Mac Mini video, it has the same chip in that, I'll bet with a little different of a RAM configuration. Either way, these are some great machines, and for the price point that Apple was able to put this at, it is a no-brainer to a lot of the community. So let us know down below, what do you think? Are you going to be picking up one of the new MacBook Airs? Let us know. Please use those affiliate links if you do. It definitely helps out the channel tremendously. We appreciate it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.